Today we will be removing and replacing the light switch on this Frigidaire freestanding gas range.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
Symptoms for a failed light switch will be the light not turning on or the switch itself physically broken. To begin the repair, you must first access the rear of the unit. Stop. Before beginning any repair, remember to disconnect the power from the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the gas. You will need the following tool to complete this repair. To remove the light switch, first we will access the top panel of the rear of the unit. Held on by 1/4-inch screws. Careful, this is also very sharp. Your light switch is going to have 2 wires going to it. We'll remove those first. Next, the switch is pushed in from the top going down. So we'll depress the clips and push it up and out. Once it's loosened up, remove the switch, place it to the side. To install your new light switch, put it in through the top of the unit. Once lined up, push it down into place, should lock into place. You can replace your wiring. Now we can reinstall the top rear panel. And this will complete the repair.
Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.